Can you build a 2-story Cape farmhouse style home with a front porch and some amazing features in a factory? Absolutely you can. This home here is an IRC Modular and it was built in a factory. There's already a video of this home on our channel, but there were a few people who are a little bit concerned that the video was too fast and they couldn't enjoy all the amazing features. So here I am recording this extended version just for them. So in this floor plan, right when you walk into the main part of the home, you have the dining room, the kitchen, and the living room. And I love the openness. So the dining room area is spacious and the large windows let so much natural light in. If you couldn't already tell, we went for a boho style in decorating this home. A great and affordable alternative to solid surface countertops throughout your home is to do something like this. So this is solid surface edging with Formica countertops. So this gives you an elevated look and some more durability on the edges of your countertops. Nothing wrong with solid surface countertops, and we opted to do some solid surface on this beautiful island. The cityscape cabinets offer additional space and give your kitchen a nice look. The storage solutions in this kitchen are just as amazing as everything else. And even better, the drawers. They are soft close. So I could go on about this kitchen all day, but let's take a quick look over at the living room because we have so much more home to see. Here are the stairs up to the second story. And here is the closet under the stairs, and this is going to be your crawl space access. Or if you wanted to put this home on a basement, this would be the stairs down. Utility room is going to be right here. It's in a great spot. And this would be where you would have your exterior door or like your garage access. There is a cloak closet in the utility room, and your furnace is behind this door right here. So I just can't stress how much I love the number of closets in this home. There's a linen closet with so many shelves right here. Everyone needs storage. So this is the first of the 3 bedrooms in this home. And right across from it is the second bedroom. And here's a bit of a closer look at the closet in that bedroom. There's just so much to love about this home. And right here is the guest bathroom. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see on camera, but the way this curtain hangs shows just the height of these ceilings. It really makes this home so much more beautiful. And right around the corner over here is the master bedroom and the master bathroom. There's a nice transom light to let in more natural light. And the closet is right here. For the bathtub people, this one is for you. And if you don't like bathtubs, with this factory, we can make this space some more storage space, or we can even do a larger shower. Now, let's take a look at the space upstairs. So upstairs is 1,000 square feet, and you can pretty much do whatever you want with this space. We do bring in these homes with the upstairs unfinished. Now that is very intentional, and that is because we have to bring these homes in with the roof hinged down. So you can see a small hinge right here, and then the main hinge is down over here, and it kind of looks something like this. So once we get the home on its foundation, then we use a crane to lift the roof up, and we build this center ladder piece you're seeing now in on site. Really hoped you loved the tour of this home, and if you have any questions about this home, please do comment them below. Come check out all the homes we have to offer over at Clayton Homes Grand Junction. My name is Kelsey Roos, and I can't wait to show you around.